Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. In this video I want to show you some beautiful filming locations in the Philippines. It's known for this. The supreme beauty of the Philippines is a paradise on earth. So come with me. We're going to walk through some banana trees. Let's get started. So here we go. We're going to walk through some banana trees here. I want to show you, when you come to the Philippines, just such an area like this, how beautiful it is. Look at all this. You can film some really amazing things here. You really can. And understand how I'm walking here. You're walking in basically a jungle area. So you're going to have to know your whereabouts. And watch out, these banana leaves are slippery. Even I've got experience with them and I'm slipping around. Look how amazingly beautiful this all is. So if you look down close, you can see some people living down below. There's some homes down there. This is a very rural area. Some dogs, as you can hear, some chickens, and some chicken coops down there. So, remember, the banana leaves are slippery here in the semi-jungle areas. The Philippines is a beautiful and amazing country to film in, and don't forget it. It's, you're going to have a great time and a great experience. Just don't go somewhere and be stupid. Alright, Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Join our barter, buy, and sell group, and put a like on our page. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.